maraming kakagising ko lang, sorry. So, gagawa tayo breakfast. Yan. Maraming nagre-request sa akin kasi lagi ko pinupost sa Instagram yung grilled cheese sandwiches ko. So, gagawa tayo today ng grilled cheese sandwiches. So, first thing na kailangan natin for the grilled cheese, syempre, kailangan natin ng bread. So, ito meron akong ciabatta. Okay. And then, we need our cheese mix. Okay, itong cheese mix na to, this is cheddar, mozzarella, Gruyere, Grana Padano, tsaka blue cheese. Medyo marami kasi yun yung meron ako sa ref. Tira pa siya from yung cheese plate ko last time. So, busin na natin, baka amagin. We need pepper. And then we also need olive oil. And a nice heavy pan. Ito, bago bili. Yay! Super excited ako gamitin. This is stainless, so hopefully tumagal pa habang buhay. Yun. So yun. So, ang una natin gagawin, i-slice open natin yung bread natin. So, just take your knife and slice it in half. I-open mo lang, hindi mo kailangan i-half all the way through. So, open up lang para magkaroon lang ng pocket to put your cheese in. So, there. Yohoy. There. Medyo tahimik ako kasi natutulog pa sila. So, pagising nila, dapat may breakfast na. So, ito maganda pag Sunday. Pag Sunday off, di ba, syempre, go ako ng breakfast. So, there. Okay? And then, season your cheese. Yung cheese natin, maalat na to kasi yung Grana Padano and yung Gruyere, medyo maalat siya na cheese. So, season natin siya with salt, with pepper na lang. Hindi na kailangan ng salt. Then, mix lang. Yun pala, ang gamit kong cheeses, grenade ko na siya. Hindi naman kailangan grated, pero mas madali kasi matunaw. So, less yung cooking time mo kung grated yung cheese. So, yan, after lagay ng pepper, papainitin na natin yung pan. So now, na mainit na yung pan natin, oil na natin siya. So, konting oil. Lang hindi mag-dry out yung bread natin. Then, first, toast natin yung bun face side down. So, fried bread. Perfect. Diba? Ganda. And next, cheese. Cheese mix. Simple as that. And then, press it down. Next meat. Toast ka natin konti. So, wow. Of course, kung gagawin mo ito, kailangan malinis ka naman. Heat. Yung tandaan niyo, yung bread medyo mabilis siya masunog. So, kailangan mo sa smell na pwede. Ayan, ito na yan. Malalaman mo okay na siya kasi yung ciabatta malambot. So, ito medyo matigas na yung loob. So, meron na siya ng butong na gusto ko for grilled cheese. Ayan, nagay natin cheese mix. with toast. Maliit. So, antayin lang natin. Iwan lang natin siya dyan. Antayin lang natin siya mag-toast until matunaw yung cheeses mo sila. Press it down. So, balikan natin siya. Yan. Ngayon na medyo brown na siya and toasted. Okay na yan. I think okay na yan. So, nalamasan natin siya at ito-plate. So, to plate, well, as simple as ilagay natin siya sa plate. Kung titignan niyo yung cheese, super melted na siya sa loob. See that? See that? Yes. Okay. So, yeah. So, habang nangyayari lahat yun, nag-poach ako ng eggs para mayroong partner yung grilled cheese natin. Kape. Oo nga, kape. Brew ng kape. Anyway, so yan. Pakatawasan nyo. So, hiwain lang natin siya into kung anong gusto mong shape. Then, para extra creamy, lalagyan natin yung ating poached egg. Yan. So, pwede fried egg. Oh, pero since fry na natin yung bread, huwag natin i-fry yung egg. So, one. And ayun yung sumama. 2. Yun. So, of course, tulog pa yung kapatid ko. So, ako kakain ito. Tap na natin na siya yung cheese. Yan. So, yan. There you have it. This is your lovely breakfast. Grilled cheese, Gruyere, Grana Padano, mozzarella, and cheddar. Blue cheese, Grana Padano, mozzarella, cheddar, yes, tama. And then ciabatta and poached eggs. So, moment of truth. Hiwain na natin siya. Tingnan natin kung tama yung poached egg. Wow. Wow. So, I hope you enjoyed this simple breakfast recipe. Try nyo gawin. Comment nyo sa sections below kung kamusta, kung successful kayo. Maraming poached egg recipes out there sa YouTube, so makakahanap kayo. Madali lang siya gawin. Takes like 4 minutes to do it, 4 or 5 minutes to do it. And so, subscribe, comment, follow us on Instagram, #CookingLikeAMom. Enjoy!